to reference in Microsoft Word in a way that after the first line of text, the rest get pushed inward. Take these steps. The first step is to launch the desktop application and arrange the references. Okay, you can see here, look at the reference page I want to use as a sample. And look at how this is arranged. But I want, after this first line, the rest to be pushed inward. That is a type of references recommended in some universities. So the next step is to click on this before this first letter and highlight the areas you want to apply this hanging indent. All right, let's say I want to apply it here. Then after that, press Ctrl, right? That means press and hold on the Control key of your computer keyboard, followed by T. You can see this hanging indent has been applied. And after that, you can save your work by clicking on the Save button. Everything was made simple. So if you consider this helpful, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment. See you some other time.